Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, dual-zone climate control, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, voice activation, power tilting steering column, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.